I'm just walking around minding my business, and look who walked right up to me. A chicken that looks like a duck.
Wow, that is nice.
He's the friendliest duck I ever met.
Sure is.
I think that I have a special talent.
Make sure you get his coat. His
I'm
coat
a bird
is so
whisperer.
pretty green. I love that green.
Look at that. I mean, he's literally within arm's length. Oh man, I don't know if the green is showing up on him or not, but he's just gorgeous.
Let me get this. Oh, that is pretty. That's velvet.
He said, well, I didn't have any food for him, so he's gonna leave now. Look at that.
Look at those feet.
He's just waddling away.
You didn't have any bread.
I didn't have anything. Look, he's going up the hill. He's gonna go out the gate. The gate's right here. He's gonna go out the gate into the neighborhood. He's gonna find somebody to feed him. He's like, I'm just leaving. Look at that. He's going right out the gate. It's like, bye. He's looking back. You sure you ain't got no food? Okay then. Bye. That is hilarious. Oh my gosh. I'm walking and more ducks are coming. Look how close he is to me. He thinks I have food. Oh my gosh. Apparently people come around here and feed these ducks. Look, there's a little nest of them right here. I'm passing by a little nest of duckies. Isn't that neat?
It's getting good.
Wow, look at that. They're just sitting there minding their business. Wow. Pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. Here's the other one coming back. He's like, well, didn't have any food. Coming back.
That's pretty. Yeah, we don't have any bread. You didn't tell me we needed bread.
I didn't know we needed bread. I didn't know these ducks. I've never seen these ducks here before.
They ain't scared.
Nope.
I never been this close to a duck in my life. He wants to go home with me. He back in my spot. Like, look, the beans is going. There's a big bag of corn back at the house. Get these every day. What's his name? What's the guy?
Oh, Jeff.
That's the white, yeah.
Duck came back. Looking for more food. There's another little duck over off to the side that was limping really bad. Mr. Ducky, you're the one.
What else you got?
Mr. Ducky, you're lots of fun. Just walking together.
Just walking. I've never seen a duck that friendly in my life.
It's the biggest duck I may have ever seen in my life.
These are the ones at the apartment that you run away when you get up close to them.
See, this duck over here was limping. I hope it's okay.
You gonna take him to the vet?
This duck, oh, his little leg is up. I think his little leg hurts because he's got one leg down and one leg tucked up. And when I saw him walking, the shadows stopping me from showing him good. When he was walking, he was kind of limping. I saw him from across the bridge. I was over on the other side of the bridge.
come in town and see this place.
Somebody fed them something because they're eating.
Somebody put some corn out.
I don't want to go and walk right through them and disrupt their happiness.